Hello everyone, I'm Mel here with Abstract Fitness. Today I'd like we can do 5 different exercises to focus on your outer thigh. Usually when we have weak gluteus medius, it can create some pain at our knees. So grab your mat and let's get started. We're going to start with the first one, very easy. You can use a chair as well for support. And we're going to lift a leg to the side. So shoulders down and back, abs are tight, and point, and then you're going to come back. That's your option 1. Option 2, you're going to flex your foot and slowly control the way up. Same with the way down. Ready? Let's go. Inhale, exhale. Press your big toe right here on the floor to elevate your arch, and it's going to change your form all the way from your foot to your neck. Good. Can we do 4 more? And I want you to feel the work right here in your outer thigh. 2. Can we do pulses? Let's go. Little, little. Abs are tight. 4, 3, 2. There we go. And release. Right here, dance it out. We have 2 legs. Let's switch. So again, option 1, you tap. Option 2, you lift the leg. When you're ready, let's go. So abs are tight, shoulders down and back. Inhale, exhale to open your leg. Good. That's it. And then we're going to go right here on the mat. 5, 4, 3, and 2. Feel the work in your hip. Are you ready for pulses? Let's go. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. That's it. And release and move your hips. Have you noticed that you're working your balance as well? Okay, let's go on your mat. We're going to lay on your side. Every time I put my mat on the floor, Riley has to come. Okay, so you're going to rest your head right here. Abs are tight. I want to see that the front of your hip is flat. Okay, so maybe bring it a little bit more to the back, and we're going to go up and down. So abs are tight, shoulders relaxed. Good. Inhale, exhale up. 8, 7, 6, 5, and 4. I feel it. I feel the burn. 2. Okay, now I'm going to stay right here. Little pauses. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and release. And you're welcome to massage your hip. Okay, now I'm going to do a clam right here. So knees are going to stay together. Shoulders relaxed. Abs again are tight. Open right here. If you open too much, you're going to roll or fall back. Let's go. Inhale, exhale to open. If you have an elastic as well, you can put it above your knees to work harder. But right now, we're just using body weight. Good. And trust me, I feel it. But I taught Pilates as well just before coming here. Good. Can we do 6? That's it. Don't forget to breathe. 5, 4, and 3, and 2, and 1 more. Stay up. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Slowly release and massage your hip. So you don't need to do all these exercises back to back. Do a few and you'll see how it goes, and eventually you'll be able to do the 5 exercises. Okay, now I'm going to switch side. All right, Lee, you're taking a lot of room. I'm going to go back again right here. So abs are tight, shoulders relaxed. Let's go. Flex the foot. Exhale, inhale. Check if the front of your hip is flat. Because if I go here, it's very easy. We're very strong here. People are weaker towards the back. Okay? Inhale, exhale. That's it. 8, 7, 6. You can rest as well. Your head right on your arm, just like that. Okay? 4. How many? 3. In 2. That's it. And then we're going to stay up, pulses. 6, 5, 4, 3. I feel the burn already. 2, and release. And you're welcome to massage your hip. Hey, you. Oi. And we're going to do the clam. So join your knees together. Abs are tight for shoulders relaxed. Inhale, exhale to open. Good. If you don't need your hand here, you can leave it here. You can even bring it up. Good. You choose where you want to be. Again, for 6, 5, 4, and 3, 2, 1 more. Stay open. That's it. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Good job. And slowly release. And please massage your hip. Okay, now it's going to be a little bit harder. I like we can go in the plank, but of course, side plank, I'm going to give you options. So you can be right here and just extend your leg like that. So lifting the ribs, inhale, exhale, good. Or you can lift the butt and extend your knee and come back. You're welcome to come back down or stay up the entire time. Are you ready? Choose your option between the 3. Shoulders down and relax, abs tight. Let's go up and extend. Good. In 6, 5, 4, woo, 3, and 2. That's it. And slowly release. Let's switch side. Same thing. Just choose the same option that you've done the other side. Are you ready? Shoulders down and back, rib cage up. Let's go up. Bend your knee and extend. Inhale, exhale. 6, 5, 4, 3, and 2, and 1 more. There we go. And release. Your last exercise. Not too bad so far. Trust me, I feel my hips. And I'm going to show you 2 stretches as well you can do for your hips. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to stay right here on my forearm, bigger base of support. Lift the ribs, shoulders down and back, and we're going to lift the leg. You're going to feel it's a little bit harder you're going to feel a restriction. If not, come up, lift the leg, and let's go up and down. Ready? Choose your option between the 2. Inhale, exhale up. That's it. 6, 5, 4. Try to bring your ribs, your hip up toward the sky. That's it. 3. Oh, 2. 1 more. Good. And release. Hi. Okay, switch side. Last time. Choose your option. Are you ready? Let's go up. And let's go up with the top leg. Inhale, exhale. 6, 5, and 4. Trust me, it's hard. 3, 2, 1 more. Good. And slowly release. I hope your hips are burning. Okay, 2 stretches I like to do in my classes. Open your legs, windshield wiper, and I want you to twist right here. Inhale, exhale, down. That's it. It brought my heart rate up a little. Good. And then I'm going to stay right here, and I want you to sit back. If it's too hard for your wrist, you can lay on your back and do the same thing. You should feel the stretch right here on top. Abductors, outer thigh. Good. So ideally, try to hold it for 30 seconds. And then we're going to switch side. Inhale, exhale, same thing. Try to hold it for 30 seconds. This leg doesn't do anything. You can bring it closer if you want. So again, feel it here. sit back. You can tell I'm tight because see my knee doesn't touch the floor. Good. And slowly release. We're going to stand up. And I want you to let go your hips. So I want you to push your left hip out. Just like that. So my right knee is bent. If you're tight, you should feel it in your hip. Optional to bring your arm all the way up and to the right. So you're going to feel the entire stretch right here. Good. And let's do the same thing, the other side. Bend your knee, release your hips. There we go. Optional, arm up and over. So again, look straight ahead. Good. Breathe. And notice the difference between both hips. There's always one tighter. Good. Inhale up and slowly release. There we go. These were my 5 different exercises to work your other thigh, so your gluteus medius and medius, to avoid knee pain and hip pain. Thank you so much for watching, and please go on my website if you want more videos of that style at www.abstractfitness.ca. See you soon.